All set now, ready to race. Race number 3. Sadalang Clubs, Leisure Park na Cavite. The favorite, Wheel of Fame. Away they go. Moving up by the rail to grab the latest distinctive dancer. Bliss racing on the outside is Domek Albimbo. Wheel of Fame is running in fifth by the rushing up his amazing success. And train number 4, Core Duo, I'll Survive. And Mutianang Pasig is running at the tail of the field. Bliss by Anek, followed by Distinctive Dancer, and watching in third position by about 3 lengths Wheel of Fame, the favorite Domek, alongside is El Bimbo, Amazing Success, and rounding the far turn, Bliss, this time by Hapaland, followed by Distinctive Dancer. El Bimbo is now running in third. Wheel of Fame is running in fourth by Drell, moving up, Amazing Success, Domek, as they race the final corner. Bliss, number 5 by Alenkanab, Distinctive Dancer, once again by Drell. El Bimbo on the outside, Wheel of Fame in between runners. Bliss followed by Distinctive Dancer, El Bimbo, and Amazing Success on the outside is I Survive. But Bliss this time by about 3 lengths, and finally number 5, Bliss second. Amazing Success, El Bimbo.